Hi, welcome to the Home Automation channel. Now, normally I give a really warm review and it's super happy and upbeat, but today I'm not feeling upbeat and I'm not gonna fake it, okay? Because I was out there in a snowstorm and I'm lucky that I made it back okay? I have a very nice car. I like my car, it's a Prius. People might laugh, but whatever. You know what? I'm reducing my carbon footprint and I happen to enjoy my ride. It's been 7 years I've had it, it's amazing, but today it doesn't work. What doesn't work, you wonder? The windshield washer fluid isn't coming out, and it was smeared all over the place as the wipers are trying to frantically wash nothing because there's no liquid coming out. And I can't figure out why. I mean, the only thing I could think of is that maybe it's frozen over or there's some kind of a buildup in the fuse or something. I don't know what it is, but you know what? I can't afford to wait 5 days to see a mechanic, on top of which it's probably gonna cost me $200. Now, first and foremost, I should mention that I made it home safely. Thank goodness something went right, okay? I have my meter here and I checked the fuse and it was good. There was nothing wrong, so I didn't understand what the heck is the problem, okay? So I'm sitting there and I don't wanna wait for 5 days for Piccolo there in the dealership to take care of me, okay? These mechanics have their own time. I need to get this running tomorrow. Literally, that's what I need it for because it's my livelihood, it's my job, it's my occupation. I can't sit around and wait forever. So I'm thinking to myself, what do I do here? The back pumps are working. The front washers aren't. I've never used the back pumps. Why don't I switch hoses and then allow it to work that way? I know, you're wondering, how did I do this? Well, come on over, I'm gonna show you how. Now this is my fabulous Prius, which needs a bit of a wash. So the first thing you're gonna do is remove the bolts which hold the cover. All right, next step is to remove the fasteners using my screwdriver. All right, now I'm gonna take off the fasteners to ensure this process gets, okay, there we go. So there's one, and there's a second one. All right, now I'm gonna switch the hoses. So by moving the rear hose to work with the front washer, I am actually going to be utilizing the rear pumps, which is where the motor is, and that's how I'm going to be able to address this annoying issue. So as you can see, they're right here. So I'm gonna remove this one. And as you can see, the water is coming out. And there. Just gonna move it like so, and then I'm gonna switch this one to the other side. And it helps if you actually do it proper. Some cold water. Okay, there we go. Now I can see. All right, and like so. Just make sure it's firmly put on, and you're good to go. That should work. All right, so here's the issue. Look at this. There's no wiper fluid coming out at all. And this was so streaky, I couldn't even see out of my frickin' windshield here. It's unbelievable. I'm lucky I made it home safe. So now that I've done this, hopefully it works. So I'm gonna just press this to get the water out. Oh, you see that? It worked. It worked. There we go. And I noticed that the back wiper is going too because it's using that rear motor to operate the front washer. And my windshield has never been cleaner. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know it wasn't quite as upbeat as you're used to, but it's still insightful and a little bit delightful. I mean, we got the results we wanted, right? And note to self, if you ever buy a Prius, this can be a definite how-to tool for you. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to see others, make sure to hit the subscribe button right there, and that will take you to more of our content and alert you when we have new videos, about 2 per week that come out. As always, we welcome your comments, suggestions, questions in the comment section below. And don't forget to like us on Facebook.